Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Career Vyas, the one-stop solution to all your career queries. And today we are back with a new video based on the entrance exam after 12 board exams in commerce stream. So, as you all know, that taking commerce stream can be a great opportunity for the people who wanted to explore in the fields like finance, accounting, economics, business management, actuary, and much more. So, if you are a student of class 12 and going to give your board exams and you are confused that which entrance exam should you opt after completing your 12 board exams, so this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, we're going to cover all the important exams which you can consider after 12 commerce board examinations. So, getting started with the list, on number 1 we have the exam SAT. So, SAT or Scholastic Assessment Test is one of the standard entrance tests adopted by United States for enrollment in colleges and universities in the US. The test is conducted by the Educational Testing Service and developed by the College Board. Apart from the US colleges and universities, aspirants can also apply for Canada, UK, Australia, and Singapore College and University. So, moving to the list, on number 2 we have CLAT exam. CLAT or Common Law Admission Test is held for applicants seeking admission to undergraduate and postgraduate law programs, such as 5-year integrated courses like BA LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BSc LLB, and LLM law courses provided by 22 NLUs. So, CLAT will be a comprehension-based test that will test an individual's legal aptitude, abilities, and knowledge. So, the consortium of NLUs admission the CLAT national level law test annually. Other than NLUs, top universities such as NMIMS, Mumbai, UPES Dehradun, the Institute of Law, and Nirma University Ahmedabad also recognizes the CLAT score. So, coming to the next exam on the list, we have LCAT and OSAT. Alliance University will administer the Alliance Common Law Admission Test for admission to LLM programs. The OSAT exam is to determine the admission into BA LLB and BBA LLB courses. Aside from entrance course and the PI, Alliance School of Law of Alliance Universities also consider your other activities as well. The final admission by these tests is based on your overall performance in your post-scholastic activities and extracurricular activities as well. Coming to the next exam, we have QSAT-CAT. QSAT-CAT is administered yearly by Cochin University of Science and Technology for admission to various undergraduate and postgraduate degrees offered by universities associated institutes. Engineering, science, humanities, law, management, commerce, and computer applications will also be available for enrollment. Moving to the next in the examination, we have NCHMCT-JEE. NCHMCT-JEE is a leading hotel management entrance test for students seeking admissions to various undergraduate degrees offered by the National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology affiliated college institutes. So, NCHMCT-JEE is open to those who have completed class 10+2 for a recognized board. Okay, those who crack this exam can acquire admission in BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration for a rewarding career in hotel management. Moving to the list, we have NIFT exam. The National Institute of Fashion Technology is responsible for conducting NIFT every year to get students admitted into various NIFT's undergraduate and postgraduate programs. Every year, about 20,000 students apply to get admitted in NIFT, and the NIFT final result is based on the candidate performance in the written test, in the situation test, group discussion and the interviews. तो चलिए अब आगे बात करते हैं कुछ गवर्नमेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की जो कि कोई भी कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट देने की तैयारी कर सकता है. So, on the list, we have UGC NET. The University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test is a national level test used to evaluate if applicants are qualified for positions such as assistant professor, lecturership, or junior research fellowship. The UGC NET exam is executed twice a year and is one of the most popular entrance exams for commerce students and aspirants from the other streams as well. So, on the list, we have the next exam, that is UPSC Civil Service exam. The Civil Service Examinations is a national competitive examinations held by the Union Public Service Commissions (UPSC) to recruit candidates for the civil services of the Government of India. The Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Police Service, among others, are all recruited. The UPSC Civil Service Examinations consist of a pre-main round, the main exams, and the personality test, which is a face-to-face interview. Moving further in the list, we have IPPB exam. Indian Post Payment Bank is a subsidiary of the Ministry of Communication Department of Post. The bank mission is to provide adequate banking services to the country residents. The bank undertakes IPPB recruitment to fill various jobs in office scales in 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and territory managers, strategy roles, etc. The recruiting drive tracks many applicants who want to work for the bank and is one of the popular BCom entrance exams. Moving to the list, we have CTET exam. Central Teacher Eligibility Test is used to determine the eligibility of prospective teachers. So जो भी applicants जो भी टीचिंग लाइन में जाना चाहते हैं उन्हें CTET एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा. जो भी applicants इस एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं वो बहुत से स्कूल्स में 1st to 8th क्लास में टीचिंग करने के लिए एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं. Also, this exam is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is for the elementary teachers and the part 2 is for the secondary teachers. Also, जितने भी रिक्रूटमेंट होते हैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय में और गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट में उसके लिए आपको CTET क्वालिफाई करके रखना जरूरी है. Aside from CTET, many state regulates the TET, Teacher Eligibility Test, which is state specific. Now, moving to the next exam, that is CDES exam. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) regulates the UPSC CDES entrance test twice a year to select candidates who would serve the nation in the defense services. UPSC CDES Part 1 and Part 2 are held for aspirants interested in joining the Indian Air Force, Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy or Officers Training Academy. Aspirants must have a bachelor degree from a recognized university to apply for the UPSC CDES examination. Moving in the list, we have SSC CGL exam. The Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination, popularly known as SSC CGL, is a national level exam held to recruit applicants for various positions in the government of Indian ministries, department and organization. To be eligible for this exam, you must be a graduate and you must have a higher score in your Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 examinations. So now let us talk about some of the banking examination which 12th commerce student can pursue. So the list starts from Institute of Banking Personnel Selection Probationary Officer Exam (IBPS PO), Institute of Banking Personnel Selection (IBPS Clerk), State Bank of India PO exams, State Bank of India Clerk exams, Reserve Bank of India Grade 1 and Grade 2, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection (IBPS RRB), ICCI PO एग्जाम, प्राइवेट बैंक PO एग्जाम. So, अब तक हमने आपको बता दिया कि आप कौन कौन से एग्जाम्स 12th बोर्ड्स के बाद अपने दे सकते हैं अगर आप कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम से हैं तो. लेकिन अब हम आपके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज लाए हैं जो कि हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि आप अगर 12th करने के बाद कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम से आपके पास क्या क्या स्कोप अवेलेबल होगा, या फिर एक छोटा सा हिंट कि आपको 12th के कॉमर्स के दौरान क्या क्या चीजों में ध्यान देना चाहिए, क्या क्या सीखना चाहिए. So let us begin with that. So as a 12th commerce student, you should be familiar with the fundamental ideas of economics, mathematics, accounting, and business studies. A solid understanding of these principles will aid you in future studies in the subject of trade. Some examples of job profiles for commerce graduates are as follows: budget analyst, auditor, chartered management accountant, chief financial officer, business consultant, finance manager, stockbroker, production manager, and management accountant. So that's it from our side in this video, guys. Meet you in the next video, and please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon, and also subscribe the channel Career Vyas, because we are regularly back with such interesting videos to let your career grow. So thanks a lot. Meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.